Learn English with Zach and Peter. Feeling a little green.
Hey guys. Welcome to another lesson.
I really like this one, Peter.
We hope you will like it too.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? How can I help you today?
Excuse me. Sorry, I am feeling unwell today. Is Dr. Draken?
He is working today. What are your symptoms, other than being green?
That is not a symptom. It is my natural skin color.
Are you sure about that?
Wouldn't I know what my natural skin color is?
I would hope so. You must be feeling nauseous, right?
No. I have not even listed my symptoms yet. Why do you think I am nauseous?
Because that would explain why you are green.
No, I have always been green. It is not a symptom or result of any illness?
Perhaps food poisoning?
No.
Seasickness perhaps?
No.
Pregnancy?
No. No. No.
Well, please tell me what they are then. I am not a genius.
I'll say. I have itchy eyes, sore throat, I have been coughing up some phlegm and...
Excuse me, is there any chance you might have kissed the frog? I mean, that could explain why you are green.
You know what? I am done with this.
No. 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 I am so sorry. Not again! That's 3 times this week.
Can someone with a brain help me now?
It was pretty funny.
It sure was. Let's review the words of the day.
Pregnancy.
Nauseous. Poisoning.
Itchy.
Natural. Green.
Well done.
See you next time. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more.